Hello friends, welcome to Texture Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to discuss about system calls in operating system. So let us discuss what are the system calls present in operating system and what system calls exactly mean for. If you look at the exact definition of a system call is the programmatic way in which a computer program requests a service from the kernel of the operating system on which it is executed. So in general, system call is a call used to perform any kind of operation requested by the user. And system call sends a request to the OS or kernel to perform a particular operation which is requested by the user. There are so many system calls for an operating system, and if user wants to perform any kind of operation, he needs to write or direct a function that indirectly notifies the system call to send a request to the CPU for execution of that particular operation. Let's take an example. If a user wants to print any statement in the C program, then the user needs to write a printf statement or printf function. So this function indirectly notifies the CPU that perform the printing operation. So this printf function indirectly notifies the CPU to perform printing operation, and if we write scanf a function that indirectly notifies the CPU to scan the document, and that is called scanning operation. So the user responsibility is to write functions, and the kernel responsibility is to receive the functions and do some kind of operation and return that value to the function. The user responsibility is writing the function, and the CPU responsibility is receiving that functions, and that way is called a system call. That's it. And there are so many major system calls in operating system, so let us discuss what are the major system calls in operating system. Major system calls are file related, device related, information related, process control, communication. And file related system calls are meant for only files and documents. Device related also same for device hardware components. Information related, these are all the system calls based on information to get the idea of the information and attributes of the particular information, like that. And in coming to process control, this is the very most important system call, process control system call. In this process control system call, fork system call is the main important system call, because based on fork system call there are so many problems being asked in competitive examinations. So we can solve those all problems based on fork system call in the next coming lectures. I will discuss those problems in the next coming lectures. What are the problems asked in competitive examination based on fork system call, I will discuss in next coming lectures. So in this video, fork system call is the main important thing. Fork system call, and the overall thing I mentioned in this video is system call is a call that is used to perform any kind of operation requested by the user. That's it. And there are so many major system calls. You can know these all system calls. And next coming thing is fork system call is the main major system call. That's it for this session. Thank you.